And we're back with another episode. So, reason for having this built or correction, this deck down from the zero turn. Every time I engage the PTO, a loud noise will come off first. It's like the belt is skipping. So I don't know. Either it's not balanced. Some of the spindles are not balanced or something. So I took it off, cleaned it real good, um, underneath and on top, and I noticed, see that crack in there? That's a 1 inch crack. 1 inch crack. I took this spindle off just to get a closer look of it, and right there. Hopefully that's the problem. I got a welder that's coming to weld that 1 inch crack right there, and hopefully it'll balance out my spindles and stop that noise. So tune in. I'll be posting again later on. I'll let you guys know if that fixed the problem. Just welding that crack down there. And last time I posted about the rattling vibration of the deck, it was the belt.